Before I was in the desert, now I'm in the snowland. Yes, snowing again. As it is always. Oops, something for shark. Yep, there's a bird. There is another bird. Yep. There we go. There are birds playing on the ground. And that's our small pond. Summer comes and I will beautify that. I'll put a lot of flowers. It's gonna be surrounded by tulips. Isn't that beautiful? See that? Amazing, huh? I love those birds. Oh, they're gone. She's playing with me too. There's another. Oh, it's not a bird. It's a car. Hi Dean, this video is for you, and since you're coming here, this will kind of serve as an, motivation for you to speed up the process. And yeah, there's a lot of snow waiting for you if you'll be here around winter time. So that Shyla and Karev can make a snowman, a snowball, and a snow angel. That's it for now. Oh, there you go. You can see the birds again. They're flying around our yard, our house. And that's our neighbor. I like to zoom my camera, but unfortunately it won't allow me when it's in video mode, so that you can see the birds in the tree. No, not tree. Oh gosh, it's wrong again. Anyway, so there you go. I hope you'll not get annoyed because I'm speaking in the background. Oh, they gathered again. See that? There's more. Come on. wanted you to show me again how you guys fly all together. Flock of birds. There you go. They're just there. I don't know what they're doing there. And I'm just wondering how come they're not cold. They don't even have coat or anything, just their feathers. And I don't know, what do you call this kind of birds? I just took a picture of them yesterday when the ground was cleared, but now it's snowing again. Okay, let me end this and then I'll just take another shot of them, okay? Alright, teen. This is just a, like a tour guide or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I'm so madaldal.